Hello everyone, I am Dr.M.Manickam, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi, College of Arts and Science. So in this video, we are going to discuss about ASCII codes. So these codes, this is the lecture series video. In this lecture series, we are continuously talking about codes and logic gates. So today we are going to discuss about ASCII codes. So ASCII codes, ASCII codes means the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This is the character encoding standard that represents text in computers, telecommunications equipment and other devices. We are using these codes only. So which means ASCII is the most common format for text files on the internet and in computers. It is based on the character encoding using the telegraph data. So how it is working means each character in ASCII is represented by unique number words string of 7 zeros and ones. So this is the way it is working. Let's see some examples and codes, how the codes are working in our computers, mobile phones and telecommunication equipments. So it includes the first version of ASCII ASCII code containing only 128 characters, including upper and lower case letters A through Z and numerals 0 to 9 and basic punctuation symbols, comma, at, likewise the punctuation symbol, semicolon, colon, likewise the basic punctuation symbols, some non-printing control characters. So these are all included in that first version of ASCII code, that is totally 128 characters. This code was first published as a standard in 1967. It was subsequently updated and published as ASCII X 3.4, that is in 1968. Then ANSI X 3.4, that is in 1977, and finally ANSI X 3.4, that is in 1986. So these are all the updated versions of these ASCII codes. So since it is a 7-bit code, it can at the most represent 128 characters. So it currently, so previously it is 128 characters. It currently defines 95 printable characters, including 26 uppercase letters A to Z, 26 lowercase letters, that is A to Z small letters, and 10 numerals 0 to 9, and 33 special characters, including mathematical symbols, punctuation marks and space characters. So these are all added with 128, additionally added with the 128 characters. So in total there are 256 ASCII codes characters can be broadly divided into 3 categories. So now the total ASCII code, there is 256 characters. So we can classify into 3 categories. One is ASCII control characters 0 to 31 and 127. Then ASCII printable characters 32 to 126, the most commonly referred to, we are utilizing that. Then third one, extended ASCII characters 128 into 155, 128 to 155, 255 numbers. So these 3 categories are classified for ASCII characters. So this is the table for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So here the decimal number, hexadecimal number representation and characters ASCII code is given. So for a decimal number of 0, the hexadecimal also 0. Then in character null, there is no characters for that. 1 for 1, here hexadecimal also 1, start the heading. So likewise we are texting that. Then for up to 32 we have the conversion numbers hexadecimal for 32 decimal, that is 20. Then character, that is space. So different from 0 to 32 numbers we are using different keyboard keys we are using. For example, vertical tab, line feed, backspace, cancel button, end of the medium, subsequent, escape buttons. These are all we are using from starting from 0 to 32. From 33 onwards, that is special characters like hash, hashtag, and symbol, percentage, and symbol, comma, brackets, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and slash, star. Likewise we are using as a ASCII codes. So from 48 to 57, it is the character is numeric numbers 0 to 9. Then 65 to 90 in decimal number, that is A to Z capital letters, I mean uppercase letters. Then lowercase letters are starting from 97 to 122. So likewise we are delete button we are using 127. So these are all some examples for there are totally 256 characters is there. Here 127 characters are explained. These are some examples for ASCII codes. So what is the we have discussed about what is ASCII code, how it is working, what is the purpose of this ASCII codes. This is all we have discussed. Then where we are directly using, with some examples we are explaining about the applications. Suppose you want to send a text message to your friend that reads hello, good morning, whatever it may be. So when you type this message on your phone or computer, whatever telecommunication instruments, so each character is converted into a corresponding ASCII values. So in this case the ASCII values for hello are 72 for H, 101 for E, 108 for L, another 108 for another L, and 111 for O, and apostrophe. Then and 33. So this is all for hello with apostrophe. These numerical values are then translated into a binary codes. So 72 we have to convert into binary codes, which is transmitted to your friend's device through the telecommunication techniques. So upon receiving the message, the device converts the binary code back into the numerical values and alphabets. Likewise we have to convert. So finally displays the original text, that is HELLO. So first we have to give as input, that is the alphabet HELLO. Then that alphabet is converted into ASCII code, then transmit through the telecommunication techniques to the another device or friend's device. So again it received as a ASCII codes. Then we have to convert into ASCII codes and binary codes received. Then we have to convert into binary code, then back into the original alphabet letters, that is hello. So likewise it is working. So this is the one of the main application of ASCII codes we are continuously using. So thank you for watching this video. We will discuss in our next lecture series video about the logic gates and remaining topics. Thank you.